is a piano tutorial for Rehab by Amy Winehouse. It's in the key of C7. You might play it like that. I use two hands to make one big fat chord, so I'm going to show you the way I play it. And you're going to start with the G, the B flat, and the C. Go to G, F, I said no, 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 no. Now we're going to go, this is the second part, as E minor to A minor to F7 to A flat 7. And it repeats 2 times. It'll go like this. Repeat. A flat. Now you're going to go to the G like you did on the first part, but you're going to hold it 2 times. 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the F. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. At the top. Rehab, and I said low, 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 low. When I get around the down, well, no, no. You ain't got the time. Oh, my body, my down in mine. They tried to take me back to rehab, and I said no, 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 no. Well, I don't ride, I ain't got 70 days, 'cause there's nothing you can teach me that I can learn from Mr. Hathaway. Oh, I didn't get a lot in class, but I know we don't come in a shot glass. They tried to take me back to rehab, and I said, oh, no, no, no. When I get my time, I said, no, 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 no. Second time, da 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 da, ba 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 ba. I said, try to take me back to rehab, and I said, oh, no, no, no. With that E minor again. A minor. A flat 7. G, and we're going to do the 2 counts of 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Da, 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 da. Ba, da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Take me back to rehab, and I said no, 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 no. Now to this point you've done a verse and a chorus, and a verse and a chorus. What you're going to do on the third one, you're going to come in with it, try to take me back to rehab, and I said no, no, no. And I said no, no, no. Now on this third time, instead of going to the G, you're going to go right to the E minor. Just like you did in the previous times, and that plays out exactly the same way. When you get done with the phrase, you go to the G 2 times, 2 8 counts. Again, 2 8 counts on the F7s, and then back to try to take me back to rehab, and I said no, 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 no. No, no, no. And this is the ending. The time, oh, my daddy's home back in time. They tried to take me back to rehab, and I said no, no, no. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'm trying to get this thing to go viral, so thanks for checking it out.